Dear students, now I will inform you about the regional organizations of Europe, because the concept of regional organization was started from Europe. Number one, the European Union, that is the political and economic union of European countries. 20 nations belong to European Union. The creation of European Economic Community in 1957 and the European Union in 1933 greatly enhanced economic cooperation among European countries. European Parliament is in Strasbourg, France, founded on 1st November 1993 as a result of Maastricht Treaty in Netherlands. European Economic Community was a regional organization that aimed to bring about economic integration among its member states. It was created by the Treaty of Rome of 1957. Upon the formation of European Union in 1993, the EEC was incorporated into the European Union and renamed the European Community. Its founder was Jean Monnet, founded on 25th March 1957 in Italy. Its headquarters is located in Brussels, Belgium. The Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe is the world's largest regional security-oriented intergovernmental organization with observer status at the United Nations. Its mandate includes issues such as arms control, promotion of human rights, freedom of press, and free and fair elections all around the world. Founded on 1st August 1975 in Helsinki, Finland. The Council of Europe is an intergovernmental organization founded in the wake of World War II to uphold human rights, democracy, and the rule of law in Europe. Founded in 1949, it has 46 member states. Its headquarters is in Strasbourg, France. Founded on 5th May 1949 in London, United Kingdom. The Council of Baltic Sea States is a regional intergovernmental organization founded on March 6, 1992 in Copenhagen, Denmark, and its headquarters is in Stockholm, Sweden. The Commonwealth of Independent States is a regional intergovernmental organization in Eastern Europe and Asia. It was formed following the dissolution of USSR or Soviet Union in 1991. Its headquarters is in Minsk, Belarus. Founded on 8th December 1991. The Central European Initiative is a forum of regional cooperation in Central and Eastern Europe. It was formed in Budapest, Hungary on November 11, 1989, developed on the basis of earlier experience with the Alps Adriatic Working Group, and its headquarters is in Trieste, Italy. The Euro-Asian Economic Union is an economic union of post-Soviet states located in Eastern Europe, Western Asia, and Central Asia. The treaty on the Euro-Asian Economic Union was signed on 29th May 2014 and came into force on 1st January 2015 in Russia. The Southeast European Cooperation process was launched on Bulgaria's initiative in 1996. The Organization of Black C. Economic Cooperation is a regional international organization focusing on multilateral political and economic initiatives aimed at fostering cooperation, peace, stability, and prosperity in the Black Sea region. Founded in Istanbul, Turkey, headquarters is in Istanbul, Turkey. It traces its origin to 25th June 1992 when Turkish President Turgut Özal and leaders of 10 other countries gathered in Istanbul and signed the summit declaration, the Bosphorus Statement. With the entry into force of its charter on 1st May 1999, BSEC was transformed into a regional economic organization. The European Free Trade Association is a regional trade organization and free trade area consisting of 4 European states: Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, founded on 3rd May 1960. The Nordic Council is the interparliamentary Nordic cooperation among the Nordic countries, formed on March 16, 1952, and its headquarters is in Copenhagen, Denmark. The Benelux Union is a politico-economic union of 3 neighboring states in Western Europe: Belgium, the Netherlands, and Luxembourg. Its headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. It was founded on September 5th, 1944. The Western European Union was the international organization and military alliance. The Western European Union implemented the modified Brussels Treaty, founded on October 23, 1954 in Paris, France.